What's up, everybody? I hope you all are doing great. No, it doesn't work here. Thing is, I suck at intro, so I'm just gonna go grab a coffee and we'll hop into the topic right in. YouTubing in 2021. It is right now hardest than it ever was to grow on YouTube from scratch. There are right now 37 million active YouTube channels out there, and even thinking about starting a new one can mess up your head. Yet this is the best time to start a YouTube channel and grow on it, as it only gets harder over time. In this video, I'm going to tell you 3 things to kill all of your excuses and get you right on to start your YouTube channel. And before I dive into those 3 things, I want to tell you that I'm not going to give you a trick from which you're going to have a million views right away. Still, I don't have a million views. Stop thinking about what your friends and family gonna think. As a beginner, when I started and posted my first video, I was continuously thinking what my friends and family was gonna think. Are they gonna like it or not? Are they gonna share it or not? It somehow consumed my head to the point where I thought that I should not do it. But yet I did it, and I realized that no one actually cares. At the end of the day, it's just you and your channel, no one else. Stop comparing yourself. I did it for a long time. I used to watch a lot of YouTubers like Peter McKinnon, Mati Hapuya, Daniel Schiffer. I copied the look from Daniel Schiffer. Yeah, look like him. If you think you can compare your videos to the videos of YouTubers that have been working for years, it's not gonna work it out. You're gonna have to give in with what you've got and increase and grow through time. So stop comparing yourself to someone else. Do your best, and that's what matters. And before I tell you the third point, I want to tell you a short little story, which 100% I guarantee it's related to the topic. So it goes back to last year when Corona happened and we were all quarantined in our houses. That's when I first decided to become a YouTuber. So I watched a few tutorials and picked up my camera and started recording myself. But after watching the videos, I deleted them right away, because I thought it doesn't work that way. I thought I needed a fancy camera, a gimbal, a tripod, a high quality light, a light stand, green screen, and a lot more. So I just kind of dropped the idea. But then few weeks ago I was watching this video by Peter McKinnon called How to Vlog, and it suddenly in the moment became an inspiration, and I once again decided to become a YouTuber again, and this time I took my phone and recorded myself again and again until I got something out of it. Even the intro took a lot of takes. To get the expected results, I had to record every single thing multiple times. And it took a huge amount of time editing it, because I edited the whole video on my phone. But even after putting those much efforts, the video didn't come out as great. But yeah, recording, editing and posting it somehow turned out to be a kickstart. A sudden change in mindset, ideas came rushing in. I stopped procrastinating and started working right away. I gotta have to admit that even though video didn't turn out as great, yet it turned out unexpectedly beneficial for me. So moral of the story. Stop sitting there thinking about it and start doing it. Something good will surely come along. All I can tell you right now is to just start off. And to start off, all you need is a smartphone. I did my first video with the smartphone, edited on it. I'm sure you can do it too. I'm not saying that gear does not matter. Gear does definitely matter, but in the beginning, I think content matters more than gear does. So while starting your channel, you need to focus more on the content. Then as you go on with your channel, you can invest your money into the gear, camera gear, audio gear, anything you want. But content is more important in the beginning. So the third and the last thing, if you have an idea that you generally think is good, don't let some idiot talk you out of it. It was said by Stan Lee, founder of Marvel Cinematic Universe. I think we all have been through that point where we have that good idea and we just talk to different people about that idea to get more and more consideration that that idea is good. And there's always this one person that disagrees, who thinks that idea is not good enough, and that person made us think more about the negative sides of that idea, and those things become the reason that idea never works out. It has happened to me, and I can bet it has happened to you too. So if you have an idea, just start off. So I'm just going to wrap this video with a bonus tip, and the tip is that be patient. Do not go hard on yourself. Even if it's not working out, the things will eventually fall in place and it will all make sense one day. Don't go hard on yourself. Spread positivity, spread love, spread kindness, and also spread this video too. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.
Do it! Just do it! Yesterday, you said tomorrow, so just do it!